Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine. Welcome back to Just Us Drawings. He's back again with a very interesting video. If you have not subscribed to his channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get more videos when we upload them. If you love this kind of content, remember to like, share, subscribe and comment down below. See you next time. Stay safe and bye bye.
So what's up guys, so welcome to another video. So today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process of drawing a water drop. Yeah, you heard it right, a water drop. So let's start. I'll use the HB pencil, this one, to draw an outline of our drop. So you can do that with your paper. Just draw a circle. Yeah, so after that you can make the circle darker. Yeah, so all you need to know is to understand how light works on a water drop. So you need to decide where your light will be coming from. In our example, the light will be coming from this side. So what you need to know is that if light comes from this side of the drop that gets the light first will be dark. It will be dark, and the only thing that will be seen here is a spot of light. So we'll shade this side dark. I'll be using light shades because you don't want to make the drop really dark. So just shade this side very slowly and lightly. Yeah, and on this other side, the end that does not receive the light is where we'll see our highlight. So let's say our highlight will be right around there or something. Yeah, so we'll just shade slowly. And I'll use this tissue paper to blend the color here. Yeah, I'll still use the HB pencil to continue shading. Just do it slowly. Make sure there are no black spots inside the shading. For this you need to know how to shade, and I think I'll make another video showing you how to shade, but for now just shade as smoothly as you can. Now that you have shaded the side that the light will be coming from, we want to shade our shadow. The shadow will be on this other side, the side that does not receive the light. So I'll shade the shadow. I'll just use this to blend that out. darken the shadow, but you don't want to make it too dark for now, because in a water droplet, when the light comes through from this side will have a highlight, and there'll be a slight light inside the shadow, so you don't want to shade it too darkly. Just shade it lightly. I'm doing this because I don't have a white pencil, a white graphite pencil, so I'll be using a rubber instead to make the light in the shadow. I'll make this side more darker. I'll use this rubber, a chipped rubber, and just put an outline, a spot right there. And while at it, I'll shade this side and make it more darker. As you can see, it's already looking like it is a water droplet. I'll rub off some of the shadows. I want to make this side of the shadow look like there's some light passing through it. I'll try to make this side a little more darker. Just make sure there is no black spots in between your shades. I'll try to make the shadow more darker. And this is a step that you can just repeat over and over again. All you want to do is to make sure that you get the shadow that you are looking for. So if we started off with light shade, because you can want a light shade on your shadow, or you can go ahead and make it as dark as you want. As you can see, there are some black spots on my shading, so I'll use this to blend them off. And the tissue really does a fine job. You can use a brush if you have. I also have a brush, but I find that the tissue just makes the blend look more consistent. So if you might have noticed, this side that I want to be light is getting a little darker, because when I'm blending this, the graphite goes to the side that I don't want it to go. So after this, I'll just repeat the process that I had done. I'll use this rubber to remove some graphite on this side. I'll use this rubber that I have to erase the shadows from where we don't want it, because as you can see, the shadow is extending too far, and if the light was coming from this side, there would be no shadow here. So I'll try to remove the shadow from where it's not needed. This is a technique that you can use to draw any shape, water drop that you want. I just use a round shape because it's more easier to deal with. As you can see, it's really easy to do this if you start with less dark shades, because if I had started with very dark shades, then I wouldn't be able to do this using only pencil and a rubber. It's just a matter of repeating the steps that we started with. First, you make this part that the light comes from darker, then you make the side opposite less dark, and for the shadow you just make it more dark. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, like, share, comment. So this is a water droplet. Thank you very much for watching. See you next Saturday.